Sculpture. The term sculpture refers to the art of creating three-dimensional objects by shaping or carving materials such as wood, stone, metal, or clay. Sculptures can range from small, handheld pieces to large, monumental installations. They can depict realistic figures, abstract forms, or even conceptual ideas. Sculpture is a form of visual art that has been practiced by humans for thousands of years and has evolved in various styles and techniques. Here are a few examples of different types of sculptures. 1. Michelangelo's David. This iconic marble sculpture depicts the biblical hero David and is considered a masterpiece of Renaissance art. It showcases the artist's skill in capturing the human form with exceptional detail and precision. 2. Auguste Rodin's The Thinker. This bronze sculpture portrays a muscular man deep in thought, with his hand resting on his chin. It is a representation of intellectual contemplation and is widely recognized as one of the most famous sculptures in the world. 3. Alexander Calder's mobiles. Calder was known for his kinetic sculptures called mobiles. These sculptures consist of suspended elements that move and balance in response to air currents. They create dynamic and ever-changing compositions, blurring the line between sculpture and performance art. 4. Louise Bourgeois, Maman. This colossal spider sculpture is made of stainless steel and bronze and stands over 30 feet tall. It is both intimidating and awe-inspiring, evoking themes of motherhood, protection, and vulnerability. 5. Ai Weiwei's Sunflower Seeds. This installation consists of millions of porcelain sunflower seeds spread across the floor of a gallery. Each seed was handcrafted by Chinese artisans, highlighting themes of mass production, individuality, and cultural identity. These examples demonstrate the diverse range of materials, styles, and concepts that can be explored through sculpture. Whether it's capturing the human form, conveying abstract ideas, or challenging traditional notions of art, sculptures have the power to evoke emotions, provoke thoughts, and create a lasting impact on viewers.